welcome back to moving vlog 2. So today is the day. Today is moving day. I'm moving today. I'm excited but dreading it at the same time. So it's 7 in the morning, running slightly late because I'm supposed to pick up a U-Haul at 7, but it's okay, it's all good. And what, anyways, we're headed to pick up the U-Haul right now. And yeah, stay tuned for the end of this vlog because I will be giving you an empty apartment tour of this apartment that I'm in right now. We just got the truck. I know my boyfriend is so mad that he has to drive that. Well, not mad, just like really, but better him than me. I ain't driving that thing, you know what I'm saying? Shoot. Anyways, today is a horrible day for moving because it is raining. If you're wondering what that sound is, it's the windshield wipers. Yeah, I'll show you guys. Yeah, it's a horrible day for moving. We are at the furniture store waiting for them to bring the couch out. It's just raining and it's actually a disaster. Okay, so this is my front door here. And when you turn around, this is what you see. So this is the entrance of the apartment. And yeah, so right here to your immediate left is the half bath. This is what the half bathroom looks like, which I will miss. My new apartment just has one big bathroom, so I will miss having this. It was nice having this though because it was a 2-story loft. So, you know, you didn't have to go all the way upstairs when you had to use the restroom, you know? So then you walk into the apartment and this is the kitchen. Here, there's my stuff there. As you can see, there isn't much, you know, there's not a lot of cabinet space. It was definitely a struggle finding places for all my food and dishes and glasses and things and just kind of making that work. But yeah, this is the kitchen. So walking through the kitchen, you have the living room. And the living room actually goes all the way to over here and there's the stairs. So this was a really big area. This is just my flower pot that I need to take down to the car. And you have the exposed piping, the loft style. And yeah, this is where I had my couch and TV and everything. There's my bedroom up there. And this is what it looks like, so overview. The bedroom. And again, you have the exposed piping and the concrete walls and everything, so super cool. This is what it looks like from the top. Doop. Yeah. So yeah, you just have all these windows and everything, and just, it is really, really cool. I know, I do like this. Okay, so this area is where I had my washer and dryer. Didn't come with one, which sucked. So I paid like a monthly fee for a washer and dryer. And this is the bathroom. I guess we'll go over here. Right here is the closet. So it's a walk-in closet, but it's kind of awkward with this piping here, and there really wasn't a lot of hanger space, but yeah, it is technically a walk-in closet. Oh, lost a shoe. And this is the bathroom. So had 2 sinks here, which was nice. And I look the definition of a hot mess. Hopefully you didn't see me. Shower and everything. So yeah, this was the bathroom. Really nice and spacious. And yeah. So yeah, that's the apartment, you guys. I definitely did love this apartment, but I also love my new apartment too, so it's bittersweet.